Hello, everyone. How do I start an online business? Is the title of this video today. How do I start an online business? Starting an online business is a great way to enter the entrepreneurial world, and it can be done with minimal initial investment, especially if you focus on digital products or services. Personally, I know I run an online business in the form of a YouTube channel, and I'm still running it. I'm still running it now. Here is a guide on how you can start. Number one way you can start an online business is to identify a profitable niche. Your business should solve a specific problem or fulfill a need. Start by identifying a niche where you have interest or expertise and where there's demand but not too much competition. Now, research tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, and social media platforms can help you to explore popular and emerging niches. Now, apart from this, you have looked at the niche, then you also have to look at your likely people that are leading in that field and then see what they are doing, study them to know what they are doing right. This is where many people miss it. You have to look at people who are succeeding in the business you want to do online, study those people, and then see what they are doing right and see what you can tweak. You do what they are doing right and see what you can tweak to do it more righter, if it's there's a word like that. To do it even right in another right way, in another level. The next thing you need to do is you have to select your business model. Maybe your business model is e-commerce. Sell physical products directly to consumers. That's what e-commerce does, e.g., through Shopify, through Etsy. Digital products, sell ebooks, courses, templates, or software. Services, offer consulting, coaching, or freelance services. Affiliate marketing, promote other people's products and earn commissions. So, subscription model, offer a subscription-based model or service or product. These are different options that you can look at. Then the next thing you need to do is to build your website. In building a website, you need domain and hosting. So choose a domain name that reflects your brand and buy it from a provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Then get hosting from platforms like Bluehost or SiteGround. The next thing you need about building your website is platform. Use platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix to build your website. These tools offer templates and easy to use drag and drop features. Then you also need your payment gateway on your website because you don't want to offer free service. There must be a way they can pay you on autopilot so that when they want to pay, you don't need to be there. You don't need to pay to be there to say, okay, send it. You want to pay, send it. No, they make a click and then the process leads to payment. And once they pay, they know they have paid, you know they have paid. If you are selling products or services, ensure that your website supports online payments, PayPal, Stripe, Square, and common payment systems like even bank and using the bank cards. Then number four, you need to create a business plan. Develop a clear business plan that outlines your goals, target audience, value proposition, and marketing strategy. Include details on how you plan to manage finances, operations, and customer service. I think when this business plan now make me to go into talking about marriage, courtship, dating. This is what dating should be talking about, not talking about sex. You should be talking about how they are going to run as a family, as a couple. What are your goals? What are your plans? These are my plans. How do you fit in? So you know my plan, so you prepare how you are going to help my plan. Not that how we are just going to eat, go somewhere and eat. Just eat and eat out, and that's all. Talk about unrealistic things. Talk about rubbish and other things. Yeah. When you go into marriage, courtship, and other things, it's good to be romantic, but at the same time, it's good to open your eyes and plan ahead. Number five is legal aspects. You have to register your business. Even for an online business, it's important to register your business with local authorities. This may involve obtaining an EIN, employer identification number, and selecting a legal structure, whether it is sole proprietorship, whether it is partnership, whether it is a company, whether it's any kind of thing you want to do, whether just business name. The important thing is that register the business. Then also the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure your website has clear terms and conditions, privacy policies, and disclaimers, especially if you're handling sensitive customer data. Then you need to develop a marketing strategy. I cannot overemphasize the importance of marketing strategy. Many people have products and services, but they are not reaching out to let people know about the products or services. So, in doing this, in marketing, your marketing, you need SEO. Since your business is online, SEO means search engine optimization. So, you optimize your website for search engines so potential customers can find you. Use tools like RFs or Google Keyword Planner or Uber Suggest to identify relevant keywords. Then another thing about marketing online is social media marketing. Create profiles on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, depending on your audience. Use these to connect with potential customers and drive traffic to your website. Then you also need email marketing. Build an email list and use platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit to send promotional emails, updates, and discounts to your audience. Then you can also use paid promotion. Use Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or influencer marketing to increase visibility and reach a larger audience quickly. Then set up analytics. Use Google Analytics to track website traffic, user behavior, and sales conversions. This data will help you improve and refine your marketing and sales strategies. Then, number 8, customer service and engagement. Provide excellent customer service through email support, live chat, and social media interaction. Keep your audience engaged by regularly posting on social media, blogging, and offering valuable content, e.g., tips, tutorials, product guides, and other things. Then scale your business. So you started and you've begun and you've moved on. Now you have to scale. Once you start making sales, reinvest your profits into scaling your business by expanding product offerings, increasing your marketing efforts, or automating certain operations, e.g., email automation, outsourcing tasks, etc. So by the time you follow these steps, you see that your online business is going to stand and is going to improve. I know you like content like this, and that is why you have stayed glued to this video up to this time. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Also like this very video, share the link of this very video with your family and friends, and also comment below. Until I come your way with more helpful videos, this video popping up from my channel right now is the next that you need to watch. All the best, guys. One love.